In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Microsoft Clipchamp on Windows. So for it, just go to your Windows search option, then you need to search for Microsoft Store, and here you can see Microsoft Store. Just click on it, and when the Microsoft Store open, over here in the search option, you need to search for Clipchamp, and here you can see it is showing Microsoft Clipchamp. Just click on it, and there you can see a get button for Microsoft Clipchamp. Just click on get, and it will start downloading Clipchamp, and the download is complete. After that, just click on open. Then you will see something like this, and here you can see waiting to sign in with Google or email. Just click here, then click on launch web browser. Then we are going to click this option, continue with Google. Here you need to give your email address, so I'll give my email address, then click on next. Then I need to give my password, and then you need to click on continue. Click on continue again, and there you can see our Microsoft Clipchamp open right now. So here you can see our Microsoft Clipchamp open over here. So right now we can create our own video. So over here you'll be able to upload any file and edit those video. So I hope this tutorial is useful to you. If you have any question or suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.